Have you noticed something? We live in a world where people from different countries talk to each other every single day, but they don't speak the same language. So, how do they communicate? They use English. English has become the bridge of the world. Today, jobs are not only in offices, people are working online, freelancing, doing remote jobs, earning in dollars, and the common requirement for all of this is English. You may have skills, but without English, your skills remain limited to your city. With English, your skills reach the whole world. Look at education. Most books, research, scholarships, and international exams are in English. If you know English, knowledge becomes easy to access. If you don't know, you always depend on translations, and translations never give the full meaning. The internet is the biggest teacher today. YouTube, Google, online courses, tutorials, most of the content is in English. When you understand English, the whole internet becomes your classroom. English doesn't only change your knowledge, it changes your confidence. You speak better, you present yourself better, you perform better in interviews, you feel comfortable anywhere, even at airport, in meetings, or in public gatherings. If you want to go abroad for study or work, English is your passport. Without English, the process becomes difficult. With it, doors start opening. We are living in the age of technology, AI, and innovation, and the language of this modern world is English. All new ideas, new technologies, and new trends first come in English. If you know English, you learn first, not last. So remember, English is not just a subject in school. It is skill, a tool, a key to opportunities. If you know English, the word becomes small. If you don't, the word becomes limited. That is why English is so important in this era.